Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on 10 beauty hacks that I find helpful, and hopefully you'll find at least one that you haven't seen before. Check it out after this short intro. And starting with hack number 1. So what you're going to do is grab your eyelash curler and you're going to take a lighter and just take a lighter to it. A lot of people take a blow dryer, but I find this to be a lot quicker and a lot easier. You just have to make sure to test it out on your arm afterwards or on your finger. Make sure that it's not too hot so that you're not burning your eyelid off. And add any mascara, something voluminous, something that's going to give you some length, and voila, there you go. Beautiful lashes for the day. Hack number 2. If you're like me, sometimes your feet get sweaty in these hot LA days, so I spray them with a little bit of dry shampoo on the tops and the bottoms, and by the end of the day, I still have nice and dry feet. Hack number 3. Now we all find perfumes that we like, but do they stay? Do they stay in place? Grab some chapstick, put it on your wrist and on your neck, and then spray your perfume, and you will see such a difference of how your perfume will stay all day and not fade away. Ooh, that rhymed. Hack number 4. If you're like me, you don't always throw away your makeup when it's supposed to be thrown away. So if you want to revamp your lip gloss and mascara, throw it in some super hot water and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Watch how it revamps it, and you have brand new lip gloss and mascara. Hack number 5. So as you can see, I have dark brown hair, so those gray hairs love to pop up on me every 2 weeks. I just like to take a black Sharpie marker and color them in, and like magic, they disappear. Perfect solution for a quick fix. Hack number 6. Cool little tip. Instead of letting your razor just dry in the shower and build bacteria, grab a little jar of vodka. Yes, I said vodka. Or you could use alcohol, 70% or 90%, and it kills the bacteria while it's sitting in the jar and makes it ready for your next shower. Hack number 7. Now, I'm sure we've all done this like I have at least once in our life, where you go to the store and you think you have a perfect match, but really, no, it's not a perfect match. And you take it home and you try it on and realize, oh my gosh, this is way too dark. So what I like to do in this situation is I will take a little bit of the foundation and a little bit of a day cream or a moisturizer, mix the two, and by doing this, it tones it down just a little bit so it's not so dark, and you can put it all over almost like a tinted moisturizer. Hack number 8. I get so sad when my nail polishes dry out, so cool little tip is take a little nail polish remover, pour just a tiny little bit in there, and mix it up, and voila, it is good as new, nice and fresh. Almost there. Hack number 9. Now for this hack, a lot of people ask me how I get my eyeliner not to run throughout the day or not to smear. Now with any cream, you basically want to set it with a powder. So an eyeliner pencil is a cream, and so by taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and pressing it into the area that you just put that eyeliner, then it's going to set that eyeliner and it's not going to smear. And so it's not too harsh. I do like to take like a light brown color and just kind of blend it right underneath that lower lash line just to give it a softer effect and not make it look so harsh. Last one, hack number 10. Take your prenatal vitamins. Yes, even if you're not pregnant, you do want to take your prenatal vitamins. It has all the essentials that a woman needs for hair, skin, and nails. All right, guys, that's it. Hopefully you guys like this 10 beauty hack video, and if you did, like always, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!